G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. Sorry I haven't put anything up on the channel for a while. Recovering from the heart attack has been a little bit more difficult than I expected. Mentally, physically, all good, all positive. Mentally, coming to terms with what happened and the actual recovery side of it. I did a walkout, just one of my smaller backpacks. I've got a newer one on the back at the moment, which is the 3FUL Gear UE45. If you want to see the review of this, it's over on the CDP Outdoors Australia channel, the main channel. Now, I'm out now doing a test video about this one, about how it feels with the weight in it, the balance of it. I'm looking at doing a minimum of 8 kilometers, which is 5 miles. I'm carrying around about 12 kilos in the back. I've got stuff in my pockets, so we're looking probably 12.5, 13 kilos altogether. I went out once, my first proper bushwalk, which fair enough was only about 6 kilometers, but it was lovely. I damn well needed it, I did. Just that relaxation, peace and quiet, the sound of the wildlife, the birds, on cue for you. Yeah, I had missed it, and I felt mentally, felt fantastic when I was out there, when I got to camp, just relaxing, making videos just for the other channel, and just really enjoying it. I felt better when I got home, or on the way home driving. I felt better when I got home. Not as good as when I was in the bush, but yeah, bushwalking into nature, it's a good healer, mentally and physically. And I've got my Spot EPIRB. I got my original one, which is the Spot Gen 2. I got it all ready to go on a walk, and I couldn't find it. Couldn't find it anywhere. I set it up, I tested it, and I've lifted boxes up, I've moved packs, I've looked through packs, and I wasn't able to find it. So I went out and invested in the Spot Gen 4 EPIRB, and I went just on the right time because there was only one more day it was on sale, and then with my membership discount, instead of it being over 400 Australian dollars, I got it for 196 Australian dollars. So if I'd waited another 2 days, I would have gone. I think I went on Tuesday. If I waited until Thursday, it would have been off sale. So worked out perfect timing. So I'm just testing that today. I've got my brother with the link on his phone, checking it, watching where I go. He's my baby brother, the baby of the family. But he worries more than any of the others about where I am, what I'm doing, am I safe? Let me know when you get there, let me know where you're going, let me know when you get back. So I sent him the link as well as my wife, and he's got it in his truck as he's driving for work. So you can see the breadcrumbs of where I am every 2.5 minutes. So I'll show you all this, give you a review about it. I'll put it on the main channel as well. So I'll do a review about this Spot Gen 4 and let you know what I think about it, because I had to use the Gen 2 about 15 years ago, 15 years ago, I can't remember exactly. I was walking out on the Bibbulmun track. They forecast mid-30s degrees centigrade, and it got up to 46 degrees centigrade, and I was 1.4 kilometers away from the shelter where there was water, and I went plonk, I went down. I did all the stuff, dropped the backpack, waited until I felt a bit better, grabbed my water bottle, took 10 steps, and I went slap bang down on my face again. So I pressed the EPIRB SOS, and 2.5 hours later, after being picked up in the chopper, and then my wife picking me up on the Perth Air Wing in Jandakot and taking me home, I was sat drinking a beer. So yeah, I'm not going to go without one of these lifesavers. And that's how I got my trail name. Went on a road gaining night or weekend, and there was a nurse on there doing the road gaining too, and she recognised me because I got interviewed by the local Channel 10 TV station, news station, all the local rags, all the newspapers, and it got sent around the world on the radio, the whole lot. I had friends phoning up from around the world. My brother had friends phoning up from Switzerland and everywhere saying, "Was that your brother Clive?" So yeah, they're worth it. So I'll give you a basic overlook at this one day in the next month or two. Now I'm going to carry on testing this pack out, and when I get home I'll get this video up for you guys. You'll have to excuse the noise of the planes this time in the morning. The flight path comes right over here heading to Perth Airport, which is that way now. So I'm turning backwards and forwards and around in the bush. So here you go, it's beautiful out here. Okay, I'll let you guys go, and if you're not already a subscriber and you think this is the sort of thing you'd like to view and watch more often, please go down below, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell next to it and select all, so you'll be notified of all future videos, and hit the thumbs up button to like. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.